guys, it's Andrea coming to you with another video. It's been a while since I filmed and it's our last day of our long weekend. So I don't know if you can tell, but I'm not wearing any makeup of any sort because today's video is gonna be another makeup, I don't know if I can say tutorial because I'm not really a professional when it comes to makeup, but today's makeup related video will be the drunk blush look. I'm looking here because there's a mirror, so without further ado, let's get started with the video. So I sanitized my hands and moving on with primer. You all know who this baby is already, so it's the Maybelline Pore Eraser Primer, and I'm just gonna put that on my T-zone and just spread it all over. Now we are done with primer, and now we're gonna move on with moisturizing our lips, and I'm using this Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips thingy. Yes, I was actually looking for this for a long time. Now I finally got my hands on one. So I only used it once, so I'm using it for the second time. For this product, guys, a little goes a long way, so you don't want to put too much. Okay, so now we're done with that, and we're gonna move on with facial cream. Okay, so I'm gonna use this facial cream from White Korea. Just squeeze a fair amount on my finger and just spread it. Normally I would use sunblock, but since I'm not going out or anything, I'm gonna use facial cream. I'm currently uploading my my no mirror makeup challenge video, so if you haven't checked that out yet, link will be in the description below. You know what comes next. I'm going to use the Holy Grail concealer. It's the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. I feel like I use the same products in every video that I do, and that is because I normally don't switch up my makeup, but sometimes I do. And sometimes I just dab my concealer all over and then just spread it afterwards. I want to know where I can go when you're not around, and I'm feeling down. And then we're gonna take a clean, oh my god, the sun! Hello, Mr. Sun. I'm gonna take a blending brush and just blend that. Sorry for the weird lines of the shadows of my window, guys. I'm so sorry about that. Doing your makeup in the sunlight exposes you to a lot of new things. I actually had no initial plan of filming a video today because I felt kind of lazy, but I realized if I didn't film today, then for sure later this week I wouldn't have any time to film at all, so I decided just do it now. It's now or never. Sorry, I'm so talkative. Sorry if I get too close to the camera because the mirror is quite far. There. Wait, I'm gonna point the camera over here because the sun is over here, so the sun is cooperating with me. Hello. Next step, we are going to take some of this Caroline jelly tint and just put quite a more than fair amount because this is the drunk blush look. Oh, that's red though. Oh. The reason why I put cheek tint before the powder is because just in case the powder wears off, you will still have some tint on your cheeks. And then now's the time that we're gonna set everything in. Just gonna take a loose powder brush and some oil control powder, again from Caroline, but this is not sponsored, but Caroline, if you're watching this. Also, don't forget about the neck and the jawline, guys. You don't want the color of your face and your neck to be uneven. Trust me, been there, done that. Was not the best memory. Also tap the excess. Usually I just first start with the T-zone and then spread it all over. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is curl our lashes. So I'm just taking this regular eyelash curler and start curling my lashes as so. Done curling your lashes, I personally like to put mascara right away, so I'm using this Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take my mirror Okay, we're done with the first eyelash, and I'm just gonna do the same to my other eyelash. And then apply again mascara immediately. Guys, I'm sorry if you can hear the wind. It's really windy outside. I'm guessing that's alright. We're gonna move on with our brows. To be honest, I don't really do anything with my brows. I just brush them upward because they're somehow naturally thick. But someday I would like to learn how to do my brows, like put some brow pomade and all that stuff. Next, we're gonna put a minimal layer of powdered blush. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna do that. So I'm taking this Caroline Oil Control blush in the shade Touch of Pink. Take my trusty blush brush. Just put some. Always remember to smile to easily locate the apples of your cheeks. This shade is quite pink than the reddish natural side, so I don't suggest using this as your like base for this makeup look. So after that, I guess we're gonna move on with eyeshadow. So I'm only gonna put a minimal amount of eyeshadow because to make this look more natural, I guess. I'm just gonna take an eyeshadow brush, Holy Grail eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take this NYX Love in Paris eyeshadow palette and take this shade right here as the base. And then I'm gonna take this one tone darker shade and put it like, I guess, outermost part of my crease. Wow, crease. Beauty guru. I do the same thing on my other eyelid. Then we're gonna take a clean brush and blend that all in. Oh my god, I'm so ugly. Okay, so after that, we're gonna move on with highlighter. I've been recently using this from Bench, this Pink Box matte highlighter. Do it like that because that's how the beauty gurus do it. So I'm just gonna do what they do. Then we're gonna blend it with our fingers. Since it's matte, the glow is kind of natural. Can you see the glow? I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it here in my reflection. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, I don't know if this is how you do it, but yeah, we're gonna. Can you see the glow? I'm hoping you do. So I'm gonna take the highlighter stick again and put some on the tip of my nose. Oh, and just blend it again with my fingers. I'm gonna take some of my fingers and put on my cupid's bow. And also some on my brow bone. For the brow bone, I'm gonna use this angled brush. I'm gonna use this angled brush to blend the highlighter. Wow. Okay, so after that, oh, I feel so shiny. I'm shiny ko. I feel like my whole mood was kind of more on the serious side than my usual goofy side. I don't know why, but I guess that depends. I don't know, but yeah, so after the highlighter, we're gonna apply another trusty layer of jelly tint. They would be like, oh my god, are you drunk? Why are your cheeks so red? Like that. Blend that all in again with your fingers. I think I put too much. What? That's okay. Okay, so for the last step, apply the same jelly tint onto our lips. You can use other lip products, but I don't know. I like my cheek tint to match my lip tint. So yeah, just gonna put some here. I just apply it how I apply it. I always do that whenever I apply lip tint because I always feel like I put a lot even though I don't. Oh my god, so murderous. And this step is optional. You can spray some rose water or setting spray on your face to like keep it fresh. Or anything, and just let it dry. I'm not really into the smell of this Rose Dew Mist of Human Nature, but it does its job, and I guess I have no further complaints. Okay guys, so we are done.
Baby, I just wanna get you out the clothes. I just wanna see you dance in slow motion. We can take our time, baby, in slow motion. We can take our time.
Okay, so that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And before I completely end this video, I would just like to shout out Ashley Law, my classmates, Nimrod, Kyla, Aira, Chloe, Clyde, and Ace. Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. So this has been the Teenage Asian Girl, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.